Welcome to JH. MyQuickWallet.com wants you to believe they're the fairy godmother of fast cash, promising quick personal loans for when you're in a pinch. But before you start spending that imaginary money, we need to figure out if this is a financial lifeline or just another digital trap. Stick around, because we're diving into the details to see if your wallet is actually safe. Starting with the good news, and I use that term loosely, the website's records show it was registered way back in March 2015. In the world of online lending, surviving for nearly a decade usually implies stability, or perhaps they're just really good at hiding in plain sight. They also take the time to explain their process with a clear step-by-step overview. It's almost touching how transparent they pretend to be, making sure you understand exactly what you're signing up for before the real fun begins. To round out the positives, they actually list a contact email and a phone number right there on the site. Having visible support options is usually a reassuring sign that someone might actually pick up the phone, though whether they'll actually help you is a different story entirely. It's always nice to have a direct line to the people who are about to make your life complicated. Now, let's get real and look at the reviews, where the wheels completely fall off this wagon. Over on Trustpilot, the feedback is about as warm and fuzzy as a cactus, with a staggering number of users straight up calling it a scam. Reviewers are reporting misleading loan terms and customer service reps, who seem about as well-trained as a goldfish. Some even mentioned that representatives demanded sensitive info like social security numbers, but refused to provide a reference number in return. Because apparently, privacy is a one-way street in their neighborhood. The repayment stories are where things get truly predatory. Borrowers have reported paying hundreds of dollars only to find their loan balance hasn't budged an inch. It's like running on a treadmill that's actually charging you for the electricity. With bi-weekly payments and interest rates that seem to defy the laws of physics, many people end up feeling trapped in a cycle of escalating debt. It turns out QuickWallet might just refer to how fast they can empty yours. So, is MyQuickWallet.com legit? While they have an old domain and some contact info, the mountain of complaints regarding unfair repayments and scam-like behavior far outweighs those minor green flags. This platform looks about as reliable as a screen door on a submarine, and you should be extremely cautious before giving them a dime. Thanks for watching. If you found this reality check helpful, hit that subscribe button for more updates and reviews that tell it like it is.